good? What's good?
See you too.
It's another day. Going to another Cars and Coffee today.
That E, man.
The good stuff.
She loves that.
But yeah, man. We about to head out pretty soon, and we'll film when we get there. Let's get it.
Man, this motherfucker tall as hell, bruh. Maybach. Esto está lleno con cojones. Esto está bueno. Look how tall this thing is. Backing up.
What do you mean? Huele rico ahí adentro. I might fuck around and call up.
I called off, but it was pretty much worth it. It's a pretty good show, man.
Hell yeah, look at this thing.
Enjoy this thing. Hell yeah. The shaggin' wagon.
The rapist van.
This shit's wild.
is this? My bad, bro. Excuse me. Look at the C7, little drift car.
Addiction and love with this passion. Praying for all of my bros, I be careful. Cause my life is all action. See how shit happen, I made it in rapid. Yeah, about right to the quarter ounce. 2 pounds.
Kinda. Ooh, it's alright, it's clean. Oh, we got another Z06 right here. Is it manual?
It's automatic.
Automatic. I think we filmed them coming in, but this is so ill. Got the 4-door, and we got the coupe. Ooh, which one you guys picking? Drop in the comments. Which one would you pick? The coupe or the 4-door?
I'm going with the 2-door.
Oh, it's a 2-door?
Yeah.
I thought you were gonna go with the 4-door. More what?
I ain't gonna say.
Ah. It's clean. Some classic center lines on there.
The classic Kenwood. That's clean.
This car is just period correct, like we say. We seen it, we're like, damn, it's clean. I said, send it to Caden.
My brother parked right here to the right. You'll see it.
Okay, there's nowhere to park, man.
There's no fucking parking.
man.
Right there on the other side of that building, there's like 2 Mercedes.
Let's make the paint a different shade of purple.
Turbo, man.
You got carbon fiber, everything, door panels.
head out.
Yeah, it was a great day, beautiful day to go look at cars. Everybody's dipping out now, so yeah.
Gotta hop in the vet,
Yeah.
make some noise, you know, we gotta represent.
Yeah, subscribe, like. Thanks for watching.
Thank you guys.
On to the next one. Let's get it.
Peace.